What is going on, guys? Edgar here with lifestylesdefined.com. We are going to take a look at Xbox application on Windows 10 mobile. Anyway, I forgot to mention this application in the previous video, but anyway, stay tuned. Let's see what this application is all about.
This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the bright.
Alright, so here's the Xbox application here. So as you can see, I do have a wide tile there, and this one flips. Obviously that's my avatar there. It'll flip to the regular Xbox logo. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump in. And this is of course part of the universal apps. So one of the things that you'll notice first, of course, is the activity feed. You can post your status or whatever there. You can obviously go through all of your friends' activity here, play clips as well, so we can play that clip there. You can like it, you can comment if you want to. Really cool. A few options here for zooming in and of course making the video bigger, all that good stuff. But anyway, there's the video playing. It plays really smooth and I actually like the way it does it. You can leave a comment by clicking down here, brings up the keyboard and all that good stuff, and of course we can like it by clicking there. Let's go ahead and go back. And we are back here on the activity feed. If we look here on top, we have a few options there. This is the refresh button. Obviously it's going to refresh the activity feed. If we click on the little happy face here, this is the feedback. So send feedback, go to the forums, or rate the application. If you found a bug, have a suggestion, you can go there. Hit the X there. Notifications here. So here of course you get all of your alerts. Messages and things like that will appear here. Messages, and here's some messages here, so we can jump right into any message there and things like that. Let's go ahead and jump into friends. As you can see here, we have suggestions, so you can obviously expand it by clicking the see more section here, and you get more suggestions on depending on who you game with or friends of friends and things like that. If we go back to friends, we can jump into friends here. Online, you can see online friends there. Online 14, offline 56. So again, you can add them here or hit the X there, but it's really cool. So here's the online friends. As you can see, they have the little green status, star for favorites, and the little green dot for people online at the moment. Let's go ahead and go back, and we are back on the activity feed. Now we have the menu here, so let's click on that. Oops, click on the menu. We have our avatar here with our gamer score. You can go back home, achievements, so let's jump into achievements. Project cards, you get your games here that you can see the most recent games you've played. We can jump into activity feed there again, so it brings all this back up. Friends, and then everything there. Obviously there's a crash happened right live on this video, so there you have it. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump back into the application. Game DVR, which allows you to obviously check out some of the video uploads there. Slow motion, thug lifestyle, things like that. This is the community obviously, but it's pretty cool if you want to check out new stuff. As far as game DVR, jump back into the menu, and we have connected section here. So this is basically if you have your Xbox on, you don't have to have it on, you can actually be on the same Wi-Fi network. You can power it by hitting here, disconnect. You can connect automatically. Obviously it says connected to my Xbox One. So it's pretty cool to have that there. Now we can go on to connect to your Xbox here, so we can go ahead and bring up the remote or the controller. We can hit the Xbox button there. I won't do it because my son's actually watching TV upstairs, so I may actually do a little something here just to mess with him. Anyway, we can hit that. Obviously I think I just paused this movie, I can hear him upstairs. But you have that, you have the remote, the media remote, which is pretty cool because now you can control power. You can bring up the DVR, guide, menu, channel, volume up, all that good stuff right here, which is super cool. I think this is something that I will be using a lot. So let's go ahead and exit that. And of course, you can control your TV volume there, volume down, mute, volume up, and things like that. Again, he's watching YouTube, so here's YouTube, and he's currently 4 minutes or 5 minutes into the video there. I can obviously pause it, and he may be freaking out right now, but let's go ahead and play it. All right, there we go. You can obviously skip into all that good stuff here. You can go into recents. We can jump into stars. We can jump into Xbox Video, Crackle, all that good stuff there. If you're not connected to your Xbox, you can obviously put in your IP address here towards the bottom and connect. I do have 2 Xbox Ones around my house. One of them I haven't set up to my phone yet. So anyway, but this is a pretty cool application so far. I'm really liking it. Some good stuff here. The one thing I haven't found, let's see if I can find it, and I think you have to be playing a game to be able to record from the application, but anyway, let's jump into home achievements here, just to jump into a game and see if we can jump into project cars here. And obviously you don't have it here, the option to record like you do on the Smart Glass Beta application. But anyway, this is just a quick look at Xbox application. Pretty decent so far. I'm really liking it. It's smooth, it's fast. It doesn't seem like a preview application, and that's something that I really like. Super impressed so far with this build again. But again, this was just a quick look at the Xbox application for Windows 10 Mobile. Stay tuned for more. Hit that like button, subscribe, visit lifestylesdefined.com, and of course, Ignorant Gamers for all of your gaming needs. Again, my name is Edgar. I'll see you guys next time.